Hi Kappas, I'm Susie Orr and I'm going to show you today how to make a mini book. A mini book is a nice little tool that you can use when you go to a meeting. You can take a few notes and then you recall what you learned in the meeting. All you need is a piece of copy paper. I happen to have Kappa Blue, so I'm going to use that. You first start by making a hamburger fold. You're going to fold it in half and you want to make your crease really well with your fingernail. Then we're going to make another hamburger fold this way. And again, line up your edges and press down really well. You want a really crisp edge with your fingernail. And we're going to make one more fold. Again, a hamburger fold. You kind of have to coax this one over a little bit because it's getting thick. But you bring it over. And again, press out and get a really good crease. Now we're going to open it up. And this is the trickiest part. You've got the open side and you've got the folded side. You want to hold it with your hand on the open side because we're going to cut from the folded side right down to the middle. Just one cut, but it has to be on the folded side. So just like that. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to fold it like a hot dog. And you're going to crease this one, and this one was going the opposite direction, so you have to crease that one a little bit harder. Notice now you have a little bit of a spy window, and then you flatten the window open, press it down on the table, and then fold the book over. And really, magically, you have this tiny little book that has 6 inner pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have a cover and a back. And that is your mini book. This was developed by Dinah Zeik of Comfort, Texas, the queen of the foldables. Thank you.